everybody, it is Dingle here. I am back with another fall haul and I am so flipping excited about this one because it is once again with the company Fashom. Long story short, I love this service. I love how personal it is. I love the small company feel of it. They reached back out to me, let me know that they are getting a lot of new inventory for fall and they would love to style me again. So of course, I wanted to see what their inventory had. I wanted to have another shot at the company just because I had such a great experience with them the first time. So here we are. Real quick, Fashom is a styling service very similar or comparable to like Stitch Fix or Chunk Club, where you take a quiz online, tell them about your style, your sizes, your preferences, like all things like that. And based on that, you get a stylist assigned to you and they pick out items of clothing that they think that you would like. Unlike other styling services though, they let you preview like a bucket of items. Like I think I get like 7 or 8, I think 7 items. And you can pick 5 of those 7 items for them to ship it to you. So I really enjoy that. It gets me really excited about what could be in my box, but it also gives you the opportunity, if you don't necessarily see your style in the clothes or you're not excited about the 7 items that they picked for you to choose from, then you can email them right away and they'll just reset the clothing items and give you another set to choose from, which is really cool. So you're almost guaranteed to get a box full of stuff that you are excited about. A couple other really fun things about the box: if you decide to keep all 5 of your items, you get 30% off. And if you decide to keep 3 or 4 of your items, you get 25% off, which is super dope. And something that I really love is every single box that they send out, they make sure to donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue Dogs in New York City. So that is so cool because I love animals so much. And of course, just like any of the other styling services, whatever you do not want to keep, you send back in a prepaid envelope, no cost to you. Super simple, and yeah, no sweat off your back. Oh, and one more thing, I swear, we're getting into the clothes 1 second. One more thing, the styling service is $15, but if you decide to keep anything in the box, then that is waived. Okay, let's show you the clothes that I got. So the box comes just like this, opened. No, I'm just kidding. The box comes like this, but now they've got like really cute purple branded ones, which is so flipping cute. Then right on top, you got your envelope, and that contains the prices of all of the items and all of the discounts that I just told you about, and information about your next steps, like trying on the clothes, sending it back, etc. Everything is there. Here is the prepaid envelope, which is handy dandy. And now the clothes. This, my friends, is an off-the-shoulder dress, and it's got these brown buttons right here, and it goes not too long, which is gonna be so cute. Love the material, it feels very sturdy, and I really hope that this fits nicely on my body. The next item is so flipping soft. It is this sweater sweatshirt type of thing. It's not necessarily completely oversized. It does cinch at the waist here, but guys, look at these buttons. They're like these shiny, almost like shell buttons. I think they're so beautiful, and I can see wearing this with a pair of sweats to be comfy and cozy, but still super cute on a rainy day in, or like a nice fall day in. But I can also see me wearing these with jeans and some sneakers or something to be like a casual cute fall outfit. Really pumped to try this on. Next is this top, and the color, my friends, I specifically put that I don't like bright greens, but I do like sages, and so this is a perfect top for that. Like holy Hannah. We've got sage, we've got a pale yellow, we've got navy, and we've got some vertical stripes, which I'm a sucker for. Love myself a good stripe moment. And it's got this like flare out at the bottom, which I can see it being really flattering and really feminine. So I can't wait to try that on with a pair of jeans. Okay, this one is really nice when I look at it. It is a muted green color, which I absolutely love. It looks like it's more of a wrap dress style. So it flares out here and it cuts in right at the rib cage is where it seems like. Again, really cute, like on hanger and just like out of the box, but I'll be curious how it looks. It is so soft, so I really hope that it fits really nicely because it's so soft. And this last one, I don't want to get my hopes up because everything might just fit so differently than how I think, so it's almost like you don't want to like have expectations before you try things on. But I really hope this fits nicely because it's the prettiest flippin' thing I've ever seen in my life. Look at this pattern. First of all, Like, the dress itself is gorgeous, but this pattern is so romantic. And it's not stark white, it's an off-white, and I can see myself layering a sweater with this, putting on a pair of white sneakers or sandals if you're going somewhere a little warmer. It's just the most romantic thing I think I've ever owned, and barely the color is my color. Like, look at this. Like, I'm literally matching it right now. So I'm really excited about this. I'm not gonna get my hopes up, but it is a maxi. I don't know exactly where it'll hit me, but it seems like it would be a maxi. And the weather right now is mid 70s to high 70s, at least on my weather app it says so. So having dresses like these on the beach in the day will be so fun. Or just putting like a jeans jacket or something to be casual and like warmer at night, I think will be so cute and very transitional for fall, you know? All right, I can't wait. Let's try these things on, my friends. Literally the cutest thing I've ever put on my body. This is so cute. At first I was wearing it like this, and I think it could be worn honestly either way. Like, if the sleeves end up going up on your shoulders, it still fits really cute. A little bit shorter, but I'll just wear some of my like athletic shorts like underneath just in case. But I paired it with my Birks, my like dark sagey Birks, and I think it's like really cute. I think honestly with like some sort of jacket over it would be so cute. It cuts there on the back. And then I grabbed a couple of different other options. Like, you could do a little more feminine with these strappy sandals if you wanted more of like a less casual outfit, you know, like some sort of date night dinner. This is literally so cute, and I'm keeping it 100%. Okay, I'm really liking this purpley pink sweatshirt that they included. Super cute. Love the fit. It's definitely more baggy, and I love that. The medium is perfect for me. I did mention that I like things fitting more flowy, so you can see the sleeves are much more roomy than maybe if this one was a small, and I love that about this. So thumbs up. I really want to keep this one. Okay, is this not the cutest top you've ever seen in your life? Like, so cute. This one is a small. I know I was really bad at telling you about the sizes, but this one is a small, and you can tell even if I put my preference as medium, they know that this one fits already nice and loose. So it fits me perfectly across the shoulders. It fits me perfectly here. It cuts really nicely here. Got a pair with jeans, and I kept on my Sperry. I love this casual look, but like slightly girly, and that's what I said. I do love a casual but slightly cute girly, and that's exactly what they gave me. I could wear it with these shoes here, or possibly those Birks would look like kind of nice too. But yeah, thumbs up on this one. Honestly, I'm going to end up probably keeping everything in this box. Like, this is so cute. Literally falling perfectly. It's just like the absolute cutest thing ever. I paired this one with some Sperry sneakers just to casual it up. You could also put them with like strappy sandals. That was really cute. But here's the back of it. Literally so stinking cute. Okay, this is a gorgeous dress, and I'm so happy that it was in my box. I love this so much. I think it would be really cute to take photos in, but I don't know what it is about it. It's just a little bit too almost like motherly or like matronly. Like, it's just a little more poofy. Like, the side is really cute and it falls really nicely, and like obviously the back is like adorable, same thing. But I don't know about this one. It's a gorgeous dress, but I just don't think that it is something that I would keep if I need to pick and choose like from the box, you know? But love it, beautiful, just maybe not for my body. So all in all, this box was awesome. I loved 4 out of the 5 items, and on that 5th item, that dress, loved it so much. I just didn't like how it was falling on my body, but like the dress itself was absolutely amazing. So I'm really happy that I gave Fashom another shot. I'm so happy they reached back out to me. Let me know if there were more fall things coming in stock. So it just goes to show you, if you don't like one box, you can just talk to your stylist, be a little more descriptive about what you like, what colors you like, things like that, and work with them, and you'll get a box of stuff that is completely up your alley. So really pumped that we tested them out once again. And honestly, guys, the service is just amazing. I've loved working with them so much. So highly recommend. Love you so much, and I'll catch you later. Bye!